A bit of a goal fest here this afternoon and an important 3 points for you, Craig.
Yeah, it was definitely. Obviously, we don't want to go and concede 2 goals like we did, but to score 5, really pleased with it. Created multiple other opportunities as well. And yeah, we've done really well on a really tough surface.
Yeah, a massive 3 points for us. We knew it was going to be a tough game and we knew how they play and we tried to nullify that as much as possible. And unfortunately, we conceded the 2 goals. We were very disappointed at half time, but we scored 5 goals, which is the main thing, and it was nice to get back to winning ways.
And talk about goals, you got 2 in about 2 minutes, talk us through them.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I've scored a goal, so it was nice to get 2 in quick succession. I seen the space and obviously I found the corner with the first one and the second one I just tried my luck at the front post and I think it might have bobbled in over the keeper, but you take him.
Oedd hi byth yn dod yn hawdd. Mae'r effort a'r desire maen nhw wedi ddangos i y gwahaniaeth rhwng Aberystwyth heddiw 1,000 miles for, so dwi'n pleased efo hynna. Mae'r hogiau dangos dy bach y galon and dwi'n teimlo bod ni wedi rhoi gol soft i ffwr heddiw lle. Da ni'n gallu ffeindio lot gwell yna, neud y basics yn well, ond da ni'n rhoi goed a wedyn allan gofyn llawer mwy gen rogio.
Wel, mi ddothwch chi nôl ddwywaith yn yr hanner cyntaf na, a wedyn 2 gol mewn 2 funud yn yr ail hanner na'n lladd y gem bron.
Ie, a eto oedden ni wedi siarad am set pieces ar amser a wedyn da ni'n mynd yn considio un eto, mae rhaid ni fod yn countable a bobl yn gorau gwybod beth maen nhw'n neud lly. A wedyn, i ildio wedyn sydd o'r basic fe'r kick-off, un bew dros top, mynd o syth nôl, syth trwy canol, so really frustrating efo hynna, achos da ni well na hynna. A da chi'n gwybod os da chi'n rhaid chances TNS, maen nhw'n mynd i punisho chi efo'r qualities gyda nhw. So, siomedig ar o'r goals da ni wedi considio, ond rhan performance o'n i'n meddwl bod o lot gwell, so mae rhaid ni cymryd y positives a symud ymlaen.
Penabont won today as well. How important is it to keep that pressure on top of the table?
Yeah, of course it is really important, but it's really important that we concentrate on ourselves as well. That's the main thing. We look after ourselves, and whatever happens after that happens. We can't control anything that happens outside of our bubble. So it's really important that we crack on with everything we do on a daily basis and prepare as well as we can and try to win as many games as we can.
Chi'n dal gafal ar y chweched safle ar hyn o bryd. Pa mor hyderus wyt ti fyddwch chi'n gorffen yn y chwech uchaf?
Ie, mae'n mynd i lawr y gêm ola, dwi'n meddwl. Mae'n lot o games. Sa'n neb yn gallu dweud, da ni wedi gorau concentrate ni'n hynny. Da ni'n gwybod bod ni'n bawa tough game away from home a wedyn Flint y fama. So mae rhaid ni jyst wneud bob dim da ni'n gallu fan a trio gwachio ro'n i'n hynny a gobeithio bod gennym ni ddigon o 2 gêm nesaf i ganu yn y chwech uchaf.